Greetings, my friend. This is Dr. Thomas Jackson, Director of M.E.E.T Ministry, coming to you with an update on our city mission project, which we started off needing $120,000. As of today, we have received $100,000 and some few dollars. And therefore, we have $20,000 that is still needed, $20,000. And this is due December the 22nd. By the way, that's my birthday. And we thank God already that He's going to bless us to receive the $20,000 with you partnering with us. And Psalms 103 says here, bless the Lord, O my soul, and all that is within me, bless His holy name. Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all of His benefits. Thank you for your prayers. Thank you for your donation. Thank you for donation that we need now to reach our goal of $20,000. May God bless you, that stars might be put into your crown as a result of this soul-winning enterprise in this city. God bless.